up, people? It's your boy Jinx in the beauty one more time. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do the Mink dance tutorial, the viral dance tutorial, right in your living room. Yeah, you don't need to go out, you just need the space around your house. So first off, before we go right into it, get comfortable clothing. I can put on and comfortable sneakers. You're gonna need that so you don't hurt yourself. Also, you're gonna be needing enough room, enough space in your apartment or in your house to get a hang of this movement so you don't hurt yourself. Before we go right into the details of this, I need you to stretch out the beats. Make sure you're all loosed and prepped up for this because we're gonna be going all in. All right? All right, let's dive right into it. I need you guys to take note of our directions. This is going to be our right hand side, obviously, and this is going to be our left hand side. But for ease, I'm going to put it up on the screen so you take note of it and it's going to guide your movement, okay? Perfect. Move number one is you're going to punch 3 times, or basically punching our right arm. We'll go 1, 2. So you punch twice. You finish on the third with your left, okay? So let's take it slowly again. We'll punch 1 and 2 and bam. Damn, this one got me feeling like Mike Tyson right now. One more time. 5, 6, go. Punch, punch, and under. Perfect. Moving on, we're gonna go into the next combination, which is basically sliding our leg in. Okay, so 5, 6, go and slide. So we're gonna put that together. From here, I will close with the slide to wrap up the first combination. So 5, 6, and 7, go. Mink, 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 slide. Perfect. We'll move on to the next combination. You want to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So take note, you lift up your right leg, goes up. When it drops down, the left makes way. Okay? Now you want to lift up your left leg up. When it drops down, the right is going to make way. Okay? 1, 2. 1, 2. Nice. We'll take that again slowly. 1, 2, go. Lift up and make way. Lift up and make way. Lift up, make way. Lift up, make way. So I'm going to do that 4 times, okay? So take note, 4 times of that movement. But now, the trick of that movement is we're going to act like we're running. So you're running on the spot, but your legs is making way, okay? So put it together. The actual move, you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So once you've gotten that out of the way, we'll go into the next combo, which is 1, 2, 5, 6, and 7. Go. Tap, tap. But we're jumping with that. But for the sake of making it easy for you guys and make you understand it better, we're going to do this really slow now. We'll tap our right heel, bam. I'm going to tap your left heel, bam. Good. 5, 6, go. 1, 2. 5, 6, go. 1, 2. Perfect. So we're going to put it together from the running 4 times and we'll jump and tap twice. 5, 6, and 7, and go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, bam, bam. Perfect. One more time. 5, 6, and 7, and go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, bam, bam. Perfect. Great job. Moving forward, from here, you want to kick your right leg towards the left, and you turn with that. So I'm basically kicking to your knees and stop. Go and kick and stop. Perfect. Kick and stop. Crisscross and spin. Perfecto. So at this point, we're going to run it up from the top and down to that point and see how we do. So 5, 6, and 7, and go. And mink, mink, mink. Slide. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, bam, bam. Kick and stop. And crisscross spin. Nice. One more time. Gonna count it really slow now so you get the details of every move. 5, 6, and 7, and go. 1, 2, bam, and slide. And we run. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, stop. kick, and the stop, and crisscross spin. Perfect. If we've gotten to that point, it's time to move on to the next combo. Once you do the crisscross and you're right here, you want to send your right arm to your head and you want to pop, mink, mink, mink. So push, push, push. So you're basically sending your arms and you're on your toes right here and your chest walks. 1, 2, 3. One more time. And 1, 2, 3. One more time. Chest out. You're gonna relax with that as 1. Chest out. You're gonna relax with that as 2. Chest out. You're gonna relax with that as 3. But now it doesn't stop. You just do it at a go as bam, bam, bam. Now we're gonna put it together from the spin and just go right into this one. 5, 6, go, kick and stop, spin and go, and bam, bam, bam. Perfect. So once we're here, we'll move forward. We're gonna move forward with the next combination, which is gonna be, we're gonna stand our hands right in front of us. 1 and back, 2 and back, and bam, bam, bam. So we're gonna have 3 combinations right in there to make up this next combo, which is 1 back, 2 back. On the third, you're gonna walk forward with that and bam, bam, bam. And clap and halt with the fourth. Okay, so 5, 6, and the 7, and go, and the 1, and the 2, and bam, bam, halt. Perfect. So we're gonna run it up now and see how we do. 5, 6, go. 1 and 2, and bam, bam, bam. Perfecto. Moving on to the next combination, you're gonna whip like a cowboy. So you want to whip your hands like this, whip. But now, when you do that, you're gonna step on your right while your left is lifted off the floor. So all of this happens at the same time and you just execute. So take note, you lift up your left and stand on your right while your hand whips. Good. So 5, 6, go, whip. So when you do that, you just want to groove a bit. You groove like twice. So we'll go whip, bam, bam. 5, 6, go, whip, bam, bam. So once we've gotten this, we'll now go into the final combo, which is mink, mink, mink. So you're basically facing towards the right, and you have your elbow like this, and you go 1, 2, 3. So your waist and your knees are gonna engage at that point. Okay? So we're gonna do that move 3 times. Hands like this, facing towards the right, and you go 1, 2, 3. Perfecto. At this point of the tutorial, we're going to try to put the whole combination right from top down to the final move and see how we do. But this time we do really slow without the music. So let's do it. You ready? All right. 5, 6, and 7, and go. 5, 6, and 7, and go. Mink, mink, mink. And we rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, bam, bam. Kick and stop. Chris, truck, and whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. 1 and the 2, and bam, bam, stop. Whip, whip, and mick, mick, mick. Perfect. Nice. And most of you always ask me to turn around to make these videos. So I'm gonna oblige you this time. I'll do 1 set of turning around 100%, do the whole routine from behind. I'll record this from behind so you see me from behind. You see how it looks from behind, okay? I'm going to do that just for you. But when I do that, make sure to subscribe and like this video and share to your friends as well, okay? Deal? Perfect. 5, 6, and 7. Good. Remember, we go with the mink, mink, mink with our fist. The first 2, we're going to punch forward and we're going to go under with the third. So 5, 6, go. Punch, punch, under. Then you slide in, slide in. Then we're going to run for 4 times. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once that is done, move into the next combination, which is tapping both of our heels, but with a jump. 5, 6, go. Bam, bam. Good. Then we kick to the left this time. Kick, bam. And we're going to do a crisscross and turn around again. And we go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. We're gonna bounce 3 times there. 1, 2, 3, and we go 1 and 2 and run, run, stop. and we whip, whip, and mink, mink, mink. All right, if you've gotten to this point of the tutorial, you're doing such an amazing job. Make sure to repeat this as frequently as possible so you get the hang of the movement and you'll be good to go. If you're looking at leveling up your dance skills, make sure to sign up in our virtual dance academy. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, in the US, in the UK, in Brazil, Portugal, wherever you are in the world. I'm going to put up the link right on the screen. I'm also going to put it up in the description section. Make sure to check it out and sign up. And I'm going to see you in class. Jinx signing out. Peace out.